Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at our question. Here are the rules for order operation you need to know before solving the problem. Well, code is as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there is no order between addition and subtraction. Operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our question. What operations are there? Parentheses, addition, exponent, addition, parentheses, subtraction, exponent. What should we do first? We'll solve the parentheses. Parentheses 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 exponent. Plus second parenthesis 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 to power. Now let's calculate the exponents. 5 to the second power equals 5 times 5. 3 to the second power 3 times 3. Now let's find the result of the multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25 plus 3 times 3 equals 9. Finally, addition. 25 plus 9 equals 34. We solved the solution in detail. I hope you understand.
We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.